What's wrong with that? All right, we are in Chinatown. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, Lucia. We'll say hi. So in San Francisco, they have the night market once a month on a Saturday. Today we have, this is our gang for tonight. So what you do is like you record like the scenery, people, like the shops.
I bring the people back to Chinatown to eat some food, you know?
Yeah.
They do allow dogs. Look.
Yeah.
You should have brought them.
I thought they said you can't bring it.
Okay, it's another dog. 3 dogs so far.
Yeah.
We're back there.
Lucia,
We found 5 dogs.
come on.
It's okay.
We have to have a thumbnail. Hi, yeah. That's okay, she got distracted.
Oh, they're catching the yellow bean or something.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. This is, they're testing our chopstick skill. That's pretty cool. So what's your first impression, babe?
That's pretty cool. A lot of people. I was wondering, is that a lot of childhood snack or childhood things happening here?
I saw 6 dogs
She's
and counting.
Ask again. So how was your first impression here?
I saw 6 dogs and counting.
None of them know each other because they're not playing in sync.
They lied to you. You could bring dogs.
No, we just don't want to bring it.
Chinatown foot, me.
You see here in Chinatown, they have a lot of different ethnicity that you can participate in San Francisco. Narration, baby. Do some narration, like introduce.
I have no idea. I have no idea what is that. So you want to tell me? I think you would better present what happened here. So you see the store right here, and then they have like small table right here.
Yeah.
So you see that
Here.
So they're selling.
Oh, this is the same thing.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Why is it behind us?
Yeah, so welcome. This is Chinatown Night Market in San Francisco. This happened the second Friday of the month. You guys should come and join. This is very cool. Beyond all the lanterns. So please join San Francisco Night Market. Yeah, let's go.
It's like the thing in Chinatown, but it's
So what do you like so far?
I don't know yet. I just literally walked here like 5 minutes ago. And you asked me what I like.
Oh, they're selling masks. See it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the mayor. That's the mayor. That's that behind us there is the San Francisco mayor. She visits the Chinatown night market. It's really cool that she came here and support the community.
Yeah, city mayor.
It's really nice, like the scenery, the walk is really nice. Yes, again, don't forget to come here second Friday of every month for Chinatown night market.
So I think it will be fun. You do the challenges there.
Yeah.
And pick the bean or whatever that one. Kind of to see when you win a free money.
Oh, okay.
That one will be fun.
Yeah.
For you inside there, ask for challenges.
Yeah. Let me here. Come here.
I can see her face in.
Why?
So her face expression like, yee, so nasty.
Oh, so the mayor, London Breed mayor, right there, San Francisco mayor.
Try it.
Huh?
No, he love it. What are you talking about?
What? It's good. You can explain to us what this is and explain to the world what we're doing here?
Yeah, actually they come from China directly.
Okay.
Santo.
Yeah.
And this master just
Are you mine? It's okay. Just a voice, it's fine.
this the master just handmade from the wood bar.
Yeah.
And crafting all the graphic over here. And then that's actually the traditional Chinese.
That's how you print?
Yeah, fine art. Yeah. And then that's how you paint this part. You paint by yourself.
Yeah.
And then that's how you get the experience to how they make it, and then you can put whatever color you want.
How we can experience it? Do we purchase or how does it work?
No. Just that's for free.
Oh.
You get the experience, but those is you can buy it.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Oh wow.
So, yeah, that would be how it look like.
Yeah. That's awesome.
That painting is pretty cool.
Yeah. It's the two kids.
Yeah.
This is this only happened the second Friday of the month. You can buy a lot of milk tea, different type of cuisine, food. Yes, so please come to San Francisco second Friday of the month to experience the Chinatown culture.
Oh, that's a bean.
Yeah.
And a cup. And a cup. That's the.
Hi.
Take your hand.
Hello.
Take your hand. Take your hand. 手握手。
Oh, shake your hand. Shake your hand.
Oh, hi.
Shake your hand.
Oh, did you say bye to me? Did you say bye to us? Look over here.
That's pretty cool.
Wow, thank you. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. What fortune do you have? Oh, is this the one that in that one movie they used the toothpick to break it? To break it?
No, that's not the Squid Game.
Yeah, is it?
No, that's cookie.
Okay. Yes, this is golden fortune cookies.
What is that?
I don't know. Don't ask me. Oh, let's do the challenge. So now we're hungry, right? And then everybody can buy like 3 items, or and then like we can rate.
Oh, they have pick up dessert.
Yeah.
And yeah. I don't know where they are. They probably eating.
Yeah.
You just the whole stack. So that's what I got.
Oh, that's what I got. That's not chow mein. That's like more noodle.
Yeah, that's chow mein. That's chow mein in China. The seasoning just alright. Not really good. Try it. So bottom they have some veg as well. Normally just make chow mein. I guess they use the soy sauce that's not good as our soy sauce.
Okay, try mine. How's the chicken? And how's the rice?
Normal chicken. I think this one will be better than mine.
Oh,
Tastes better.
yeah. Why do you think so?
You go outside, you order the chicken, it's never like getting you wrong.
Yeah.
You know, the rice is just white rice. It's nothing special.
Wow.
And the chicken is really rely on the sauce because of you technically eating the gingers, and also the chicken just boil, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you never go wrong with the steamed chicken.
Yeah. So he loves my steamed chicken. I love it.
It's okay.
So right now it is March 8th, Friday. Next one will be in April. You know, like please stay tuned. Once you go in San Francisco, please on the second Friday of the month, join here. You have the experience of Chinatown and San Francisco together. Where you want to go? Huh? Here, wait, get in here. Whisk. Get in here get in. All right.